Aloha! I didn't know if you were going to say it or I was going to say it. Aloha!
Welcome to Disney's new Polynesian Tower. We're going to take a quick tour of some of the rooms and then grab a bite to eat at the new restaurant that they have and then go explore.
So grab yourself a tiki drink and let's go. It's finally here. Disney's brand new Polynesian Tower is open. We already love Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, but this brand new addition just takes it to the next level. It has gorgeous new rooms and upgraded amenities, and of course, incredible views of Cinderella Castle, and you can walk to the Magic Kingdom. You have the perfect fireworks viewing area right here outside of the Polynesian Tower. I've also heard that grabbing a spot up at the bar is also a great place to have a clear view of Cinderella Castle right across the lake.
I am having the passion fruit Garibaldi, if I'm saying that correctly. It has a passion fruit liqueur, vodka, caprini, orange juice, and she said with all the flavors together, it has more of a grapefruit flavor to it because it has like a bitter. I forgot, I needed to mix it up. She did say that all the flavors are there to make it look like a sunset. So, all right, here we go. It does. It's very bitter, but I like that. It's like grapefruit bitter, you know, like with flavors and fruit juices. This isn't too sweet. I like this. I would do another one of this, especially in the morning. It kind of feels like it's a morning cocktail because it tastes like grapefruit juice. Is that a thing? Sure.
And I picked up, my classic brunch cocktail, which is a mimosa, but because we're at the Polynesian, I got the Pog Juice Mimosa. So it has passion fruit, orange, and guava juices. It's a mimosa, but it's delicious. The Pog Juice makes it even more delicious.
And didn't they say they don't have champagne, but they had sparkling wine? So, same thing. Ooh, so good. And it looks like there's a rim on it, or is there not?
I think that's just the orange.
Is the orange? Okay.
Yeah.
So good.
So good.
went with classic shishito peppers. This is always a go-to if I see it on the menu. There's always one hot one in the bunch. Let's hope it's not this one. These are really good. They're cooked with some sort of glaze. I should have read it to see what they have. But they have different seasons, different salts, kind of mixed in with them. They're good. They have some flavor more than just shishito peppers, but you can't go wrong.
What's the dipping sauce?
Oh, dang it. The dipping sauce is an eggplant tahini spice, or kind of like a puree, I guess. It's good. It doesn't have, it kind of mellows out the spiciness here. So a good combo. I would have never put those together. I'm liking it.
And I picked up the ahi tuna crisp. These wonton chips look so good.
They do.
They're nice and crispy. So we have ahi tuna, we have avocado crema, there's some jalapenos and green onions on here. And then also there's a sriracha aioli sauce. So let's see how to dig in without trying to get all of the flavors, but without making a mess.
I'm going to need some tuna on there.
I know.
The wonton looks amazing. Looks so crisp.
And there's like a soy glaze too, so it's a little spicy, a little sweet, but the tuna tastes nice and fresh. It's a really good appetizer, or you can just have it for your main meal. It's good. We picked up the Wayfinder burger. It is 2 pressed patties, American cheese, onion jam, volcano sauce, and a sweet bun. You can either get mac salad, which is like a macaroni salad, or sweet potato fries.
This is so good. Oh my god. This is beating Steakhouse 71. Yeah. Whatever sauces, I need to find out what sauces are on there, but it's so good. The patties are like smash patties in a way, which is my favorite. Makes them a little crispy. Ooh, the flavors are different. I'm loving them. I want to see I need to read what exactly is on it. We just ordered it just because we heard it was great.
So they decided to stay.
Potato salad. Macaroni salad. It's fine. This is where it's at. Randy's turn. She's gonna test it out. I'm so curious. It has a kick, right?
Well,
I'm guessing that volcano sauce is the spicy sauce.
that's spicy, but then it's balanced out with that onion jam.
Yeah.
So it's like spicy sweet.
Right.
And the actual burger patty, that is so well done.
Yeah. And well done meaning like
No,
good.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Cooked
good.
properly.
Cooked properly, and just a good piece of meat.
different little terrace areas. These little areas are just kind of tranquil, places to relax and have an amazing view of the lagoon. You can also see you can see fireworks from up there. They have some also facing the other end that are facing the monorail and the soon-to-be updated golf course coming in over there. So both sides are pretty peaceful and relaxing.
You do have to have a key card in order to get up the elevator at the Polynesian Tower and in order to get up to those relaxation areas as well.
They tend to stay pretty empty throughout the day. Of course, during fireworks, they'll be a little busier. But we've noticed there are no bad views around this area for the fireworks.
Wow, they did an amazing job on this new addition to the Polynesian.
Seriously, hands down, I think this may be the best resort on property.
Yes.
I know, oh gosh, I mean seriously, the rooms, the detail.
The rooms were, I mean, stunning.
Gorgeous.
Stunning.
Things that you would want in your own home.
Mm-hmm.
That's how good it is. It's so good.
Food here is so good. You can even pick up a Dole Whip, so it's just another spot to add to the list of
Sunday.
Yeah, of where to get your Dole Whip.
It's insane.
Everything, we are just speechless, I think,
know.
because it's just so beautiful. It's so tranquil and relaxing. You still get that great Polynesian vibe, that classic Polynesian vibe, just with an updated modern twist.
And you know, I think a lot of people were a little skeptical with the new tower going in to ruin the whole, you know, just the ambiance of this. Not at all. It did not take away. If anything, it added. And the fact that you're adding this new outdoor bar area, restaurant area, I mean, that's the best. That was amazing.
I think it's just what the Polynesian needed, honestly.
So too. Updating without updating, but update, you know what I'm saying? Tweaking it a little bit. Yeah. I cannot wait to stay here.
Yes.
We need to get this on the books soon.
Yes.
Soon. So let us know if you've had a chance to stay at this amazing resort. But yes, please follow us along, like and subscribe, and please follow us on all socials at A World of Adventure YT.
Until next time, bye.
Bye.